What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video tutorial. My name is Asuiken Kingsley. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove a green screen background in your video footage so that you can get a different kind of background in your video, whether it's image, whether it's video, whether it's anything, you can put it in the background of your video. If this is your first time of being to my YouTube channel, you're welcome to my YouTube community. Feel free to drop your comments and ask me any kind of question. You can perform this green screen background effect with different kind of colors. You can perform it with green, this kind of green. You can perform it with red, blue, white. But while you're doing that, make sure that the clothes you're wearing is not the same color with the background color. So I'm going to import this video. I'm going to use this video now to show you exactly how to do this. I just dragged this video. This video is in 3 different colors. This is the first color, which is red. Okay. Let me expand my timeline to get the exact point where the background changed. I'm going to cut here, shift this, come here, cut here, delete this. Now move down to here. This is blue background. Cut here also. Shift down to here. Shift this. And cut here. Delete this. So I'm going to perform this effect on these 3 videos now. This is red background. This is blue background. And this is green background. So let's work on the red background. I'm going to use this as background, this particular image. This is an image. Drag it down to the timeline and take it down to where this video ended. As you can see, it's not the same size with the screen. So what you need to do is double click on it. Once you double click on it, you can now reshape it by holding this and holding your shift button and covering it, making sure it's filled in the screen. Now, if you look at this video, you notice that this one is on top of the video. So we're not seeing the video. So what we're going to do is drag this video and put it on top of this image. Now this image is now on the background and this video is now on top of the image. So if you want to change this background to anything, let me resize it and make this guy to be at the center and also full. Okay. Now if you want to change this background, right click. First of all, click on the video and right click on it. Go to green screen. Once you click on green screen, this window pops up. Now, this cannot change unless you come here and select the color of the background. So let's go here, click here, go to more. Now you see, pick screen color, the color you want to change, the color you want to remove in your video. That is what you're going to pick here. Now I will click here and come to red. You can see red. Click on the red and say, click on the, once you click on the red, make sure that the red comes up here. So I'm going to click on it again. As you can see, the red is now here. And I will say, okay. If the red does not show up here, that means you've not selected it properly. And say, okay. Once I say OK, you can see the red has disappeared from this video. Now you can see this guy's face is somehow. So what we need to do is come to here, tolerance, and shift this tolerance. As you can see, if I shift it back, the guy's face is somehow. Now shift the tolerance a little bit further and say OK. Let me mute this video. Let's play it now and see. As you can see, this image is now the background of this video. The same thing goes to this blue one. We're going to use, let me say, this image. Drag it down, resize it, and make sure it stops where this video stops. Double click on it. As you can see, this image is completely filled in the screen, so we don't need to do anything on this image. The next thing we need to do is to touch this video and bring it on top of this image. I'm also going to fix it well. Always try and make sure you arrange everything in your video properly. Now, right click on the video, go to green screen, come here, select color, click there, go to more. Now, go to pick screen color. Now go to this blue, double click on it. As you double click on it, you can see it's now here. And now say OK. Once you say OK, the blue has disappeared. Now come here and shift here front to make it look much better and say OK. Now we're going to play this video.
Or blue background.
As you can see,
or blue background.
This video has taken the background of this image. The same thing goes to this green. Let me first of all position this guy very well. Okay, now in this one, I'm not going to put image. I have already put image on this one and this one. And in this one, I'm going to put a video. So I'm going to use my intro. So let me drag this intro down. The intro is on top of this video. So what you need to do is drag this video to be on top of the intro. I'm going to mute it. We're going to right click and go to green screen. Once we click on green screen on this particular one, because green is widely recognized by most video editing software, it's going to automatically disappear. It's not going to behave like the blue and the red one. So we're going to green, right click, go to green screen. Once you click on green screen, you can see the green has disappeared. So from this offset, you can now make it look better and say okay. So let's play this video now. You can see my intro is what is playing on the background while this guy is talking. So this is how you can shoot your video on any color, red, blue, or green, depending on the color you have. But let the color be sharp and make sure you're not wearing the same color as the background color, because once you remove the background color, if you're wearing the same color, both the background and your clothes that has the same color will disappear from the video. So if you're using like a blue background, you have to wear like a black or maybe a red or a different color. Then the same thing goes to red as well. If you're using a red background, you have to wear something that is completely different from red. If you're using a green screen background, you don't have to wear anything green, because once you remove the background, if you're wearing the same color, the color will disappear from your body. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to be seeing such educative video tutorial in the future, don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should remain blessed.